Maha Cartoon TV.
Spirit of the Car. A man named Ramesh lived in a city with his wife Reena and his parents. Ramesh had two kids, Pinky and Raju, who were very cooperative and lovely. And because he had a huge family, they weren't able to go anywhere for outings. And seeing this, Ramesh's mother says something to Ramesh. Son, our family has grown big, and because of this, when we have to travel, these rickshaws and auto drivers are tough to handle. Buy a second-hand car from somewhere.
Sure, Mom. I'll immediately start looking for a car.
On instructions of his mother, Ramesh buys a second-hand car. In a few days, he brings the car home. Everyone gets super excited and thrilled on seeing the car. Their life becomes easy because now they own a car. And organized. Because now they don't have to wait for any auto or rickshaw. And whenever they felt like traveling, they would go out on a trip. Everything went pretty smooth. But one day, when Ramesh was heading to his office, his car broke down in the middle of the road. After which, he started to look around for some help. Just when he sees a Vaishno garage.
Hey, listen, brother. Can you please check my car? It's not working.
Oh yes, give me a minute. You please sit. Chotu, get some tea for sir.
After checking up on the car for a few minutes, the garage person says,
Sir, your car is absolutely fantastic. Take a ride. You will feel as if these congested roads have become highways.
When Ramesh starts the engine of his car, it starts, and he thanks the garage person and leaves from there. And the next day, once again Ramesh's car breaks down near the Vaishno garage. And again, nothing major could be found in his car. And so, he leaves for his office. This cycle goes on like this for a few days. And Ramesh gets puzzled because he could not figure out as to why his car keeps on breaking down near the Vaishno garage. Like always, Ramesh was returning back to his home. Just when he hears a voice within the car. And then,
Ramesh?
on hearing a different voice, he gets surprised and starts to look all around him. But he feels nothing strange.
What happened, Ramesh? Are you frustrated by the car repeatedly breaking down? Tell me.
And this time, on hearing the voice, Ramesh gets numb and then he stutters.
Who is there?
Don't get scared of me. I won't cause any harm to you.
Huh? But who are you? Where are you? And why can't I see you?
I am the spirit of this car.
Spirit of the car? Huh? There is no such thing like spirit of the car.
And why do you think like that?
First, you tell me, who are you and why can I not see you?
And as Ramesh says this, that voice takes the appearance of a lady and sits on the passenger seat of the car. She wasn't creepy to look at all at. She wasn't creepy at all to look at. She looked like an ordinary human, but she was a wandering spirit. On seeing her seated beside him, Ramesh loses all his senses and he stops the car.
Who are you? And how did you sit in the moving car? Huh? Tell me.
I said I'm the spirit of this car, didn't I?
But will you tell me who are you and what you want from me?
Holy visit to Vaishno Devi.
What?
Yes, I will get salvation only after go there and feel those energies.
Okay, fine, I'll do that. But at least tell me something about yourself.
I am Sunena and I used to reside in this city only. And I bought this car a year ago with my hard-earned money. I saved every single pie I had for this car so that I could take my family on a visit to the holy shrine of the goddess Vaishno Devi.
But what?
But one night, when I was returning home, I met with a critically major accident with a truck. And because of that, I died on the spot. And that's why my soul stayed in this car. And since then, this car had been my stay.
What? And your family sold this car? That means they sold out your lifetime's hard work.
No, it's not like that. As I told you, the accident was severe, and because of that, even my car got crushed crumbly. The parts of the car were sold and were remanufactured.
Doesn't your family know that their daughter's car is in perfect condition now?
They are aware, but they don't want to keep it anymore because they get flashbacks of me and my accident, and this is exactly why they denied to keep the car. It wasn't a commodity, but emotions for them.
So tell me, how can I help you?
If you take me along with my parents for the visit of Holy Shrine of Goddess Vaishno Devi in this car only, then I will get salvation.
On listening the last wish of the spirit Sunaina, Ramesh promises and assures her that he will take them to Vaishno Devi. And just in a few days, he meets with the parents of the spirit and tells them about the last wish of their daughter. On hearing the wish of their late daughter, they immediately agrees to go with him. And then, in a few days, Ramesh brings them back from the holy shrine to the city. And after the successful tour of the shrine, the spirit says something to Ramesh.
Ramesh, thanks a lot for helping me out. Had you not been there, then I wouldn't have fulfilled my dream of visiting Vaishno Devi shrine with my parents. We need more people like you in the contemporary era. You are an angel.
After thanking Ramesh for his kind gesture, that spirit vanishes from there and Ramesh starts to live happily with his family since then.
Hello friends! Tell us in the comment section that how did you like this story?
Do like this story and do not forget to share it with your friends too.
Bye!
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.